Hi guys, welcome back to Oh No, It's the Stewskis. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Today I'm opening LOL Pearl Surprise dolls.
Now these are extremely difficult to find, and as you know from our other videos, we will be giving one away when we have our 250th subscriber. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, make sure that you comment on our videos, and make sure you share our videos. For each comment and each share, you're going to get an extra entry.
Here we go. Wait, were these the ties that were on the thing?
You're going to have to pull those through first.
I'm excited for these because they're bigger than all the LOL dolls that I've opened. So, it's still not open. There we go. Whoa. That is extremely different. That's what.
Oh, look there. That's even different than the other one. Me first. Let me see. Hold it back up. Says me first. Hey, over here. Unbox me. All right. So inside you have 6 pearls. You've got 3 that are see-through like a creamish iridescent and 3 that are greenish.
Okay.
Let's see what you got.
Oh, here are the shoes.
Oh, those are very, very cute. Let's see here. Looky there. All right.
Oh, here's a shirt.
Oh, looky there. This looks kind of familiar. Now, I'm not sure, and you guys may be able to help us. Is there more than one LOL Mermaid Surprise, or are they all the same? Has anyone received anything any different, or are these the same things that you have in yours? Comment below and let us know. Can you get it?
Yeah. Oh, and here's some more shoes.
Let's see. Yep. Look at these. These are so cute. Little white high heels with little pom-poms on them.
I have these last two. And this is a skirt, I think. Yeah. That's a cute skirt. My last one, and then I opened the ball, I think. Yeah. Another skirt, which is a teal kind of.
And you can mix and match those. And inside is the giant fizzy. It says, "Dunk me."
Oh, that's cute. It's fizzy. I did not know that.
So what we're going to do is you're going to take your LOL case and flip it up upside down. And you're going to put the ball on it and fill that up with warm water.
No. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. I just put that a little. I need a huge mess.
Apparently Liliana needs a little more help than Devin does.
Uh-oh. I made a big mess. And then there's plastic on it, which ink.
Let's see. This is such a pretty fizzy, and it is so big. I cannot get over how big this is. There we go. Should be able to rip it open now.
There we go. I made just a big mess. There we go. It doesn't, there's one more plastic thing. Whoa. That is cool. There's like yellow on the other, on one side and then the other side. And I'm pretty sure the dolls are in here. I have not opened it yet. Yes, here it comes. You can already start to see the doll, I think. I'm pretty sure the doll. That is cool. And it's starting to turn a little like orange. It looks like a sunset to me. I like how it's pink on like one side and then this side is yellow. So I don't know if these change colors because I haven't opened them yet. I think they do, but yes. That's a pretty orange.
It is definitely super, super fizzy.
Yes.
Look at that. Oh, you can start to peel it away.
Here, oh, it's like, oh, so the dolls, I'm pretty sure, are here. I was not expecting that.
I think this would be something really fun to open in your bathtub even.
Yes.
Oh, there we go.
Here, now we're opening this, which I think you just, whoa. I can't get it to open. And I love that color too.
That is definitely a very, very pretty color.
I cannot get that.
Let's see here.
I don't have nails, as you can tell. My hands are pink. Here we go. Oh, and there's a bunch of blind bags too. 3 blind bags. Here's the doll. Oh, here's the doll. I think this looks familiar. And I'm not sure what this is. I think like accessories. Maybe. Yep, here's the bottle.
Oh, look at that. That is one cute bottle. And, whoop, yep. Our bath fizzy's still fizzing. Oh, yeah, there's the little baby. So we've got little treasure.
What it does.
And let's see what hers does.
Spits too.
She's a spitter and she's a color changer. Look at her clothes. Look at her body. And if you put her in the cold water, she will have tattoos and a bathing suit on.
And she has like a little anchor right there. That's cool. And does the baby do anything? Yes, I think it does. Yes, it changes a darker purple. Duh. Let's see. Oh, the thing changes too. Yeah, it turns dark.
Yes, it goes from white to pink. So we've got Treasure and Little Treasure. And I'm just curious to know if anybody else has any other dolls that they received in their Pearl Surprise, or if everybody received the same ones. So that's all for right now. Check back later, and Liliana is going to open a confetti pop and a pet. And tomorrow we have some really awesome surprises for you guys that I think you're going to enjoy. And later on, either tonight or tomorrow, we will be doing our drawing because I think we're going to reach our 100th subscriber. So make sure you keep sharing and commenting. The sooner we reach 250, the sooner we can do our LOL Pearl giveaway.
Bye guys, give it a thumbs up and comment.